Hi, I'm Giancarlo, and today on Your Trending Home, we're going to talk about a key topic for many households: which curtains to choose if you have pets or kids at home. We want our home to look amazing, but also to be practical and safe. First, let's forget about delicate fabrics like linen or silk. They're beautiful, but they're not friends with either dogs or kids. It's better to go for durable and easy-to-clean materials like polyester or solar screen fabrics. Second, think about safety. No hanging cords because they can be very, very dangerous for kids. Or simply an irresistible toy for your cat. The best option is motorized shades or cordless systems. Plus, they're super modern and really, really easy to use. Third, pet hair. Wow. If you have dogs or cats, you already know that hair ends up everywhere, no matter what. The good thing is that roller shades have a smooth surface where hair doesn't stick as much. And with a simple duster or vacuum, they look like new. And one extra tip: choose practical custom curtains that you can clean easily. So now you know, with the right materials, a safe system, and a little bit of maintenance, you can have a stylish home without worrying about your kids or pets getting into mischief. See you in the next two Hogar Trending. I'm Giancarlo from Montbo Blinds, and if you have any questions, just look for me here.